In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to seamlessly integrate a YouTube video link into your Google Docs document. This is a handy skill if you often create shared documents, reports, or educational materials that require easy access to video resources. Let's get started by navigating to YouTube. Open your web browser and type YouTube's web address into the search bar. Once you're there, you're going to want to find the specific video that you plan to link in your document. This can be any video of your choice. Maybe it's a tutorial that complements your document content, or perhaps it's an engaging video you want to share with your audience for additional context. When you've located the video, you're likely going to spot the share button below the video player. This button is crucial because it allows you to copy the link to the video in just a couple of clicks. Click on it, and a small window will pop up presenting you with various sharing options. Look for the copy link option within this list. Clicking on this will save the video link to your clipboard, making it easy to paste into any document. Next, we'll head over to Google Docs, where your document is ready and waiting. You can access Google Docs by typing its URL into your browser, or if you're familiar with the app, simply open it from your saved documents. Once in your desired document, identify the text you want to transform into a hyperlink. Common choices might include phrases like watch video or any relevant anchor text that informs readers about the linked content. Once you've highlighted the text, here's a time-saving tip. Press Ctrl+K if you're using a Windows PC or CMD+K on a Mac. This handy shortcut opens the link dialog box, allowing you to paste the YouTube link directly. Place your cursor in the link input area, paste the video URL from your clipboard, and direct your cursor to the apply button. Now all that's left is to click apply. After doing so, your highlighted text will convert into a clickable hyperlink, connecting viewers directly to the YouTube video without ever leaving your document. This method not only keeps your document looking tidy, but also enhances its interactivity. And there you have it, a straightforward method to enrich your Google Docs with engaging video content from YouTube. By integrating videos this way, you ensure that readers have easy access to helpful audio-visual materials, all while maintaining an organized and professional document. Whether it's for collaborative projects, teaching, or simply enhancing your digital content, this skill is sure to come in handy. Thank you for watching, and happy hyperlinking.